Hey guys, it's Timmy and this is Pro Wrestling Unlimited. So just 2 weeks from today is the 2020 Royal Rumble from Minute Maid Park in Houston, Texas. With that, per Sky Bet, we do have some updated betting odds for the upcoming Royal Rumble event. So first off, Roman Reigns is favored at a minus 295 to defeat Baron Corbin at a plus 200. With the Raw Women's Championship on the line, Becky Lynch is favored at a minus 300 to win and retain over Asuka at a plus 200. With the Universal Championship on the line, Bray Wyatt is favored at a minus 600 to win and retain over Daniel Bryan at a plus 300. Now, as far as the Royal Rumble matches themselves go, we're going to tell you the top 5 favorites to win. So let's kick it off with the Women's Rumble, where Sasha Banks is a plus 1200. Charlotte Flair sits at a plus 1000. Rhea Ripley, a plus 600. Ronda Rousey, a plus 500. And Shayna Baszler is currently favored to win the Women's Royal Rumble at a minus 125. As far as the men do go, Cain Velasquez is set at a plus 800. Kevin Owens is a plus 700. CM Punk is a plus 600. Roman Reigns is a plus 175. And the favorite to win it all is actually Brock Lesnar at a minus 125. So with that, those are the current betting odds for the upcoming Royal Rumble pay-per-view. If we do hear anything else leading forward to the event in just 2 weeks from today, we'll have it for you right here on Pro Wrestling Unlimited. But that's going to do it for this episode. Remember to comment below, like and share this video, like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe right here on YouTube.